In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Zoho CRM in this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're managing customer interactions, organizing your schedule, or ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks, reminders in Zoho CRM can be a game changer for keeping you on top of your tasks. Let's dive in and explore how you can set up a reminder quickly and efficiently. First, let's start by navigating to the home page of your Zoho CRM. This is the central hub where you can access all your tools and functionalities. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Meetings. This feature is crucial as it allows you to keep track of various events and tasks that you need to attend to. Next, locate the event for which you want to set a reminder. You can hover over the event of your choice to reveal an edit button. Clicking on this edit button will open up further customization options, allowing you to adjust settings or make necessary changes to the event. Now that you're inside the edit interface, look for the section titled Reminder. This is where you can designate how and when you want to be reminded about this particular event. The reminder is essential for ensuring that you have enough heads-up time to prepare adequately, so it's crucial to set it up according to your preferences. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu within the reminder section. By clicking on this drop-down, you can view various time options. These time settings define how far in advance you wish to receive notification about your event. Feel free to choose the time frame that best supports your workflow. Whether you need just a few minutes notice or a couple of days, the decision is entirely yours. Once you have selected your preferred reminder time, the final step is to save your settings. Find the Save button on the screen and click it. This action will ensure that your reminder is locked in and that you'll be notified as instructed. Setting reminders may seem like a small task, but it plays a pivotal role in maintaining organization and productivity within Zoho CRM. It helps in minimizing missed meetings and forgotten tasks, allowing you to manage your professional commitments more effectively. And there you have it. A straightforward process on how to set a reminder in Zoho CRM. This tool is invaluable for staying on track and making the most of your CRM platform. Don't forget to revisit and update your reminders regularly as your schedule changes. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!